beautiful people, welcome once again to hnclothings. And in today's video, hold up, there's no video today. Today is an introductory class to our 1 week project. No, truthfully, I don't know how long it's going to take. Okay, so I'm serious. So we are going to be going on a sewing challenge, a sew with me journey, and there'll be videos every day on here on this channel from scratch to the very end on making this particular dress. Okay, I don't know, anywhere you see it, that dress, yes. Lots of people sent DMs, sent messages, send emails. Guys, I said emails is for business, not for you to tell me that I don't know what you did. Okay, so we're going to actually start from the scratch. Okay, let's actually do a sew along challenge. Let me see how many of you are even interested in this sort of things. Is it that you actually just watch, you just like to see my pretty face, or you just watch for the sake of my voice, or I don't know, but we're going to know real soon. Okay, so we are going to be doing a sew with me challenge. We'll be making this dress from the scratch to the very end. We are starting from the barest minimum, I mean from the scratch that even a 7-year-old that can use a pencil and a paper should be able to do it after going along on this journey with me. So the first thing we're going to be doing to achieve this style, first things we're going to be drafting my basic bodice pattern. Okay, so you need your paper, you need your ruler, you need your pencil, you need your measuring tape, you need your paper, scissors, you need everything that will make drafting your bodice easy for you. So just get that ready, because that will be Monday's video. Okay, that's tomorrow's video, I mean. Then the next day, we don't know how long that bodice is going to take, because we're going to do the back, we're going to do the front, we're going to do the shaping, we're going to explain everything such that whenever we need to do anything that involves using your basic bodice, the prerequisite of this, that's the knowledge of learning this, you'll be able to fly with ease. Okay, so the next one, that's the next thing we're going to be doing, is removing the dots. That's that manipulation for illusion, but that's like for the net covering. Okay, so we're going to see, because if you look at that net, there's no single dot on it. How do they even make it fit that way? Why is there no gaping on the armhole? Why is it so snug and fit? I'm going to explain everything so that you'll be able to achieve that without any errors. Okay, next thing we're going to be doing is drafting the bustier. That's for the inner fabric. Some people argued with me that, well, there's no inner fabric, man, the thing is just as plain, it's just a net. Girl, you can do whatever you want to do, okay? But I'd advise we just use a skin tone fabric for the inner. So we'll learn how to do all of that. Then finally, once we're done with all the paper, whatever, yada yada, then we're going to now cut on fabric. Finally, someone said finally. We'll be cutting on fabric. Okay, so for the cutting on fabric, we're going to be cutting the illusion mesh. We're also going to be cutting the inner fabric, be it lycra, be it satin, whichever one you decide to use. Okay, we're going to be cutting that with the lining as well. Then moving on to the sewing. We're always getting there, guys. We're always getting there. Hold up. So for the sewing, we're going to be sewing the bustier. You know, we're going to be using bonings. I'm going to show you how to do your invisible bonings, how to use your cups and your bustiers. Okay, then we'll now do the mesh fabric, how to sew it with neat finishing, clean, neat embellishing your already what? You need a closure in that dress. So we actually need to put a zipper, how to sew a zipper on mesh. You know okay, I actually did it one before, but I just did it. But now it's going to be very, very detailed. Very, very detailed. I'm going to show you how to use a closure on a mesh, yeah? So that's the zipper on a mesh, how to sew it neatly without you having the what they call the contouring. It has to lay smooth and flat. Don't worry, you're going to see all of that, yeah? Then finally embellishing your beautiful dress that will crown everything up. And when we're done, we're going to give ourselves a pat on the back, rock our dresses, and send your already finished garment. You need to send that dress to the Instagram DM or to the Facebook page, because we need to see you rocking your beautiful dress, so that when any client comes and says, oh, can you see something like this? With this knowledge, man, you can fly. You'll be able to fly, do any other kind of design you want to do. Okay, so just be patient. Join me on this journey. I don't know how long it's going to be. It could be a week. It could be 8 days. It could be 10 days. I really don't know. But I actually want to break it down so well that anybody in their sleep, as a baby, as a beginner, you don't know anything, you'll be able to do this. When I say you don't know anything, I mean you don't know anything about fashion. I must say you don't know anything like dum-dum. Alright, so that's it, guys. That is it, guys. Yeah, I hope you'll be interested, and please drop your comments. See, I need to wear my serious face. I don't like it when you guys now come and be saying, I'm a silent follower, I'm a silent subscriber, I really love your channel so much. It helps me a lot in my fashion journey. Why do you keep doing that? And on my page, I post videos every time, and I see only 10 comments, I see only 5 comments. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. Really, like, if you want to support someone, come all out. There's nothing like silent subscriber or follower. How do I even know that I'm reaching through to you? See me, I'm just sitting there in front of my camera. I don't know, I can't see you guys. I don't know how many of you are really there actually watching or listening. Okay, so please, if you like this pretty face, always give me a thumbs up, a huge one at that. Destroy, smash that button, smash the like button. Also, do not forget to drop a comment. Tell me what exactly do you like about my channel. Don't just say I like you, God bless you. Yeah, write it down there as well. Let me see. Let it be public show of affection. Yeah, I like public show of affection. I don't like all this private something. No, do it. Let everybody see. Let's see it. I love that one more. Okay, and also, if you're going to be following through with this journey, you actually need to turn on your post notification. When you click that bell button, there'll be some options that will come out. You see none, you see all, you see personalized. Click that all. Don't just click the bell button. Click all. After clicking the bell icon, click all, so that any video I post on, you see the video, you see the alert, and you'll be able to watch. Okay, some people say they don't see when I post videos, so that's going to make you see when I post videos. Also, subscribe. You can't turn on bell if you have not subscribed. So I needed to have said that before that. So subscribe, yeah, and yeah, that's about it. Guys, by the way, before you go, do you know that I moved houses? We've moved houses. How do you feel about this new space? It's giving me vibes. I like it already. But see, I've not set up anything. I've not set up anything. That's why I've not been so very consistent on here. But trust me, that's why I'm making it up to you guys by starting with this Sew With Me challenge. Everyday videos till we're done with this challenge. Then we'll move on to the next one, okay? So yeah, that's it from me. And to start, we're going to see tomorrow, the next day, yeah, Monday. So to start that, stay safe, God bless you all, enjoy the rest of the weekend, and yeah, love you all. Kisses to all of you. Bye.